It's small everyday moments. A laugh, a touch, just being together. But I'm not there. I'm in my head. What if this doesn't work? What if I give everything and it still doesn't? And while I'm doing that, I'm stealing the moments I actually have with her. I thought overthinking was protecting me. That if I worried enough, if I planned enough, I could prevent the pain. Prevent her from leaving. But I was exhausted, drowning, managing outcomes I had no control over. Overthinking didn't protect me. It just robbed me of her. But here's what I realized. I wasn't protecting myself. I was afraid. I was afraid to let go, afraid to trust that things could work out without me controlling every outcome. So I overthought because overthinking felt like control, like I was doing something, like I was protecting us. But I wasn't protecting anything. I was just trapped in my own head, unable to trust myself, unable to let things happen, unable to be present. That's the false protection. You think you're saving yourself, but you're just suffocating. Because real protection isn't about controlling the future. It's about being here, now. Real protection isn't overthinking. Real protection is knowing I'm enough and doing everything I can to make it work. But accepting that everything outside of that is outside of my control. Whether she forgives me, whether she stays. I hope she does. But that doesn't matter right now. All that matters is being here with her. Not thinking about what the future entails. Just being present. Whole body, heart, and soul. Because if you're afraid in love, you're robbing yourself. You're not just robbing her of your presence, you're robbing yourself of the connection. You can't be fully authentic if you're living in fear. And real protection is choosing presence over fear. So every moment you're choosing fear or presence, control or trust, overthinking or being here. It's not a one-time decision. It's every single moment. And the moment you choose presence, you stop robbing yourself and her. That's it. That's the only protection that matters.